I'm unboxing and reviewing this pet water fountain, and thank you so much to the seller for sending this to me. I will give you a closer look. I have 2 dogs and a cat, so having a good water fountain that filters and it's also the ongoing water fountain is perfect for whether you have cats or dogs. So I'll give you a closer look at setting this up and let's check it out. So here's how it will come out of the packaging, and it was packaged great, so no issues at all there. And then this is the black color. They do also have stainless steel, and this does hold 2.1 gallons of water. So here's everything that it comes with. It comes with 3 filters, which is great. It comes with a cleaning brush, which is very convenient, and then also a user manual, and then also a charging cable as well. So this is wireless, but you can charge it. So then here is what the motor looks like. So once you get it all put together with the filter, then you will just put the top on there, and then you are ready to put that motor in on top. And again, we will start it out with the wire just to show you how it charges. So here is my cat Blue. She loved it right away. She loves the running water, and then it does have a motion sensor, so you can make it to where it will only turn on the fountain whenever your pet is nearby. So she loved that feature. And then here is my dog Benny. So again, it's perfect for multiple pets, and then it also is great at night for them to be able to see. And then you can also see the water levels on the side here. So I love that extra feature, so you can tell whenever the water is getting low and you're needing to refill the bowl. So I'll show you the buttons up top here. There's the power button, and then there is a button to do the motion sensor for the fountain, or you can have it running continuously with this button on the left. And then you do also have a timer option too. So I would definitely recommend checking this out, and I hope that you enjoy too.